Hey guys, welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today I will be installing a vertical grip on my AR-15. What I have is the Magpul MOE Rvg vertical grip. Anytime you are handling your weapon, you want to make sure it is unloaded. There is no round in the chamber. First you want to do is loosen these screws almost all the way. Yeah, there you go. Same with this one. Once you take the screws out, you want to turn the rifle upside down. Get that where you want it. Put this piece in like that. And then insert your screws back. Screw it in. Get the other one. Screw that one in. I think it kind of completes the whole rifle. It's very sturdy, easy to hold on to. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.